Welcome to this tutorial on how to zoom in and out on Instagram stories. Zooming is a useful feature that allows you to focus on specific parts of your photos and videos, adding an extra layer of engagement to your stories. To start, open the Instagram app and navigate to the story camera by swiping right from the main feed or tapping the plus icon at the top right corner. Once you are in the story camera, you can take a new photo or video or select one from your gallery. To zoom in on a photo or video, place two fingers on the screen and move them apart to zoom out or bring them together to zoom in. You can also use the zoom slider that appears on the screen when you are taking a new photo or video. For videos, you can also zoom in and out while recording by using the same pinch to zoom gesture. This allows you to add a dynamic effect to your videos and focus on specific parts of the scene. When using the zoom feature, it is essential to keep in mind the quality of your photo or video. Zooming in too much can reduce the quality of the image, so it is best to use it sparingly. Additionally, you can also use the zoom feature in conjunction with other Instagram story features such as text, drawings, and stickers to make your stories more engaging. For example, you can zoom in on a specific part of a photo and add text or a sticker to highlight that area. In conclusion, the zoom feature on Instagram stories is a powerful tool that can help you add an extra layer of engagement to your stories. By following these steps and using the zoom feature effectively, you can create more dynamic and interesting stories that capture the attention of your audience.